welcome back to another video, you all. Thank you so much. We're going to make some more gloss, okay? So before I get started, I'm going to put my gloves on because you're going to need your gloves. And y'all know what I do. I usually get me a plate or a paper bowl or a paper plate. And I got me a spoon, okay? And we're going to make some clear lip gloss. So before I get started, I'm going to take my pipette, because I didn't show y'all this last time, but you want to cut the end of the pipette like this, and then you're going to want to connect it to the long part of your syringe, okay? And then you're going to want to cut a little bit of the syringe off on the end, just like that. And you're going to set that to the side because that's where you're going to be filling it up. Then also, I got my oil, my coconut oil to the side right here in the bowl. And I'm going to pour a little bit gloss. We're going to make some clear lip gloss, but I'm going to put a little bit of speck of glitter in it, just a little bit, because I want this more on the clear side. So I want to make enough to where it fills up 5 tubes. So I'm hoping I pour enough here for that. For 5 tubes. Okay. If not, I'll make more. But that's what I'm working with for right now. And then I'm going to take my glitter, which is from TKB Trading. I'm going to open it up. And I'm just going to put a little bit of this glitter, like literally a little bit. Just so it can have a little speck of glitter. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Because I want this to be more... See, I just really put a little bit of that in there because I want this to be more on the clear side. Okay. You can't never go wrong with clear gloss. And so, y'all know the routine. You want to mix, mix, mix. If you have a paper bowl or use a bowl is much better. I prefer that you get a bowl. And this don't look like it's going to fill 5 tubes up. So what I'm going to do is put more lip gloss base in it. Okay. Alright. And then, of course, a little bit more coconut oil. To thin it out. Yeah, thin it out. And so once I do this and get it to my consistency of what I'm looking for, I will be right back. Okay, so you all, I've mixed it up, put it in my syringe. So now I'm about to fill these tubes up. So you want to stick it down in there. Get it down in there to the bottom. And go from side to side. Make sure you get it from side to side. I don't know if you all can see that. Because you want to make sure you're getting it in there real good. Okay. And always leave a little room at the top. Always leave a little room at the top. Okay? And so I'm going to pick up another one. Make sure you get it all the way down in here. And go from side to side. Side. Just like that. Okay. And make sure you leave a little room at the top, because you got to put your stoppers and stuff in. Okay, I'm going to show you one more time. Drop it down in here. Side to side, side. Because you need to get that down in there. You know, you need to make sure it gets down in there real good. Okay? And that's pretty much, and you leave a little room at the top. That's pretty much how you make good glosses. Or you fill them up. Okay? That's pretty much. And I made just enough for the 5 tubes. Yay! I'm excited. So yeah, you do that, and that's pretty much all you got to do. Thank y'all so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe, hit the ring bell so you never miss an upload here at Frederica Nation. Of course, you want to put it in some soapy water so you can clean your glosses. You got to make sure you clean it. And this is really about it, you all. And I'll show you all once it's packed, labeled, and all of that stuff. I'm going to put the names and all that stuff on the glosses. But if you want to purchase some of these, make sure you go to the site in the description below. See y'all.